So we've got a few TVRs in the workshop at the moment being worked on. This one we've pulled out of storage just to have a few bits done to it. It was going to be a road car and now it's going to be converted into a race car. So Ollie, just tell us a few bits that we're doing to this.
Basically, we're just going through it. We've installed braided brake lines and a bias pedal box. We're going to install a full fire extinguisher system with external pull cords, battery isolator, which will also be external, aluminium dashboard, racing seats and a full roll cage as well. Yeah, just going through it all basically and just making sure it's all safe as well. We're going to set the geometry up, make sure it's all safe for the track.
And so the aluminium dashboard's pretty cool. We can just show you on the computer how we've been designing that and what we're doing. So I'll just run you through that. So yeah, from this design, you can see that they're designing an aluminium dashboard that will be plasma cut and then have all the relevant gauges for racing put in. One of the issues is that the tunnel on this one is wider than original, so the original gearbox wouldn't fit. So they had to redesign a dash that would now fit the larger gearbox tunnel. And so that's what they're doing here. So you'll get to see that when it's completed.